excited to announce our inaugural CommCare Enterprise Summit. We'll be inviting folks to my hometown of Washington, D.C. from September 19th through the 21st. We'll be bringing together all 16 of our software as a service CommCare Enterprise partners. These are the folks who independently build and roll out digital solutions across the globe. Over the course of our 3-day summit, we're going to learn about Dimagi's vision, our product, and our new impact delivery framework. Our partners will share challenges, lessons learned, and best practices for designing and implementing digital solutions. And lastly, and most importantly, together we hope to co-create the future of CommCare and of digital tools for development to amplify our partners' impact and help solve our world's most pressing issues. We're working hard to ensure that all attendees leave the summit armed with new knowledge, skills, and expertise to amplify their digital programs. Our whole team at Dimagi is incredibly excited to host this event and to share learnings with the world in the coming months. We here believe in the power of knowledge sharing and inclusivity. We're committed to sharing the insights and knowledge gained at the summit. So please follow us on LinkedIn, subscribe to our newsletter, and go to our Enterprise Summit page for more. We look forward to seeing all of our enterprise partners in DC and reporting out on what we learned together. Consider joining our knowledge sharing community because together we can make a positive impact.